Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 6th, 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Chiliz. You guys can see we did a price prediction about 3 days ago on our Lookout live stream sessions. One of our artisan members wanted us to break this down and try to anticipate where price is going to go, and we did that about 3 days ago. So we're going to come in, update you all about this particular cryptocurrency and see if the market still has weakness and continuation of breakage to the downside. So before I break that down, as always, if today's your first time ever viewing our videos, our content, and you appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because for us, we're simply only focusing on the price. We're not here to give you any FOMO, any FUD. We're not about that life. The only thing from our viewpoint is the price and where price is going to go. And that is how you're able to win and get the competitive advantage over anyone else who participates in the cryptocurrency space. So if you want to learn, if you want to understand how to call the markets right alongside with us, then I would advise you all to follow us and subscribe. All right. So real quick, I'm gonna zoom in real quick. Y'all can see over the last 3 days in the market in Chiliz, we've seen the market still hint at us weakness, that there hasn't been any demand coming through into the market in Chiliz. Now, the market has tried, right? Over the last 3 days, it has tried to keep its price above that ascending line. There's no doubts about it. But today, we are seeing the market in Chiliz ever so slightly break that trend. Now, all is not lost. In order to see this market maintain the overall sideways trading that we've seen, all is not lost yet. But what we're seeing is the induction of more selling, more weakness, lack of interest into pursuing the higher price movement for Chiliz. This is what is going on as of this particular moment. Okay, so what we need to do is determine, will that continue, or will we actually see a stoppage right now to where Chiliz is trading at and the market can find some propness and actually move higher? Because you can tell right here to where the market is closing at right now is where support was. The market trap came and confirmed to us right here on the 24th and the 25th of March that that area was propped up as support. We are now here again today. But we have a little bit more information that we can draw from and can see that on the 4th of April, even on the 5th, we've still seen someone in the market selling to the point to where we can actually still see the market in Chiliz drop. And the next area of support is going to be from the high that came in on March the 11th. Okay. That will be the next area, which is around 42 cents, 42, 43 cents. Okay. Yep, 43 cents. So we're losing the overall trend into the market in Chiliz, right? The overall trend was how we've seen this market in Chiliz trend on this line. This is what we need to see. But as of right now, we are breaking that overall trend. So we need to become a little bit more relaxed. We need to realize that that is coming more into visualization, that the market is still here, losing its ability to keep price above that ascending line. And we got to come to arms with that. We got to follow for what it is, right? So now let me look at this on a 3-day time frame in Chiliz. So right now, looking at this on a 3-day time frame in Chiliz, I'm still seeing that weakness is present. You know, we have 13 hours and 34 minutes left before this current 3-day price bar ends, and I'm still seeing weakness. So much so that even this 43 cent area is in jeopardy of being broken to the downside. Okay. So we have our support area of 43 cents in jeopardy of being broken to the downside, right alongside the ascending line being broken as well. So we got weakness right there in that vicinity that is still harnessing and telling us that the market in Chiliz is still going to drop in price. Now, the only issue is trying to figure out where will be the next area that the market will find support. Because looking at this on the 3-day time frame, the next area, could it be on the high that came in on this 3-day price bar, which is around 32 cents. So we're about 13 cents away from finding the next area of support if 43 cents cannot hold. I'm just trying to give you all some different viewpoints on how to see the market and how to call the markets. And we're showing you all that without giving you any technical indicators, because the market speaks to us in a language. The price bars and the volume is kind of like a braille or sign language. It speaks to us, and if you're understanding it, then you can actually follow along and see the emotion of everyone who participates in these cryptocurrencies. And as of right now, when we take a look at all of these 3-day price bars right here, there's no emphasis of strength coming through. There's only one 3-day price bar that is showing us that the market is giving us some strength right there. Out of all of those 3-day price bars, only one exhibited to us strength. That was it. And even on that perspective, the following 3-day price bar still giving us weakness. So the interest into this particular cryptocurrency, it is waning. And we got to give you the information unbiasedly. We cannot be leaning more towards, the moon boys or the ones who's telling you that the market is going to go all the way up to $600,000 for this cryptocurrency, because it is not being seen on the price chart right now. Weaknesses. So on this particular video, we're going to play the weakness into the market for Chiliz, a 3-day time frame. Like I told you, I'm still seeing weakness even here on the 5-day time frame. This area of restriction is here around 55 cents. I really won't become bullish or expecting the market to go higher until we see the market break 55 cents to the upside. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch this back over to the daily time frame, and we're going to expect the market to try to come and hold support now around 43 cents. Okay, it's going to be in around 43 to 40 cents. Okay, like 41.5 to 43 cents is where we're going to expect the market in Chiliz to come and find out if we'll be able to see the market hold strength there. Okay, so our overall prediction that we did 3 days ago is still in play. We're still seeing the market weakness coming through, and we're still going to play it to the downside. So I just wanted to come in, give y'all an update as to what we're seeing into the market in Chiliz. And as of right now, the market is giving us weakness. So questions, comments, as always, let us know. Drop us a comment as well as to where you expect the market in Chiliz to go over the next 2 weeks. Right now, this is what we're seeing, but all is not lost. We still have that 43 cent area that can be propped up for support. Drop us a comment, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.